In this video, the Element Ecto is going to be getting some brass knuckles from SSD to help it just perform that little bit better. So welcome everyone, my name is Troy, this is Roadside RC. If you're new to the channel, you'll see everything on here from the bashing and crawling and drifting and racing, plus some product review videos and how-tos. And today, we are looking at these SSD knuckles. Look at those, very, very nice looking part. We're going to be doing that simple bolt-on installation here to the Ecto to see how it performs. Now, before we get started, we're going to throw a battery in this and go ahead and take it out as it sits to the crawler course that I have here at my house and test a couple things, because what we want to see is how does it do on uphill climbs, how does it do on breaking over things, because that's really sometimes where this weight can really help on the front. So let's give it a test. I'll be honest, it is staggering how good this truck really is I mean, just even with the small things that I've already done to it, you can check a playlist out that I have of everything that I've done, all the experiences and the modifications that I've done with this truck so far. Really still surprises me how good this thing is. I had to find some really tough stuff up there to trip it up during that test drive. So now we're going to throw a little bit of that brass weight up front and see how much better it really makes this truck. All right, so there it is. That is it. That test is over. It's so good. Like, it really continues to stagger me how good this truck does. And there was a couple of things out there, you know, some of the stuff that it did just about the same. Other stuff, you could just immediately feel that little bit of weight difference, and it just goes right over things. A couple spots in the backyard there, up and over the wall, up the logs where trucks always get hung. You know, that extra weight was just able to pull that front end up and over and really make a difference. Saw some of it out here on the rock wall in the front of the house, how that made it better. Really, really such a good truck. Those SSD knuckles, you know, simple bolt on. I think I tested it, bolted them on, tested it again, did this whole thing in 30 minutes. It's a no-brainer. If you have one of these trucks, you want these knuckles, period, hands down. Just go get them. So thank you guys for the support. I always appreciate it. I'm going to keep working on some other stuff. In the meantime, please come over here, check out some other videos that we've already made, and we will see you in the next one. So thank you and goodbye.